Amos. Gotta get him some Amos fucking cookies. Pick the niggas out like both.
Yes, I'm back. Matter of fact, yo, I got to clear the whack. The whack MCs smoking trees. They don't wanna get no more, none of these. I rip MCs to the fullest. Yo, I be like Bruce Willis. You don't wanna pull us off like the caper, Jack the Raper. Yo, the Reaper, the Raper, don't matter either. You can take the back way home, and I have to get the microphone. It's a microphone I own, all up in the dome. Peace, say the least. Kick it, punch you with the pinky ring like Della Reese.
Clue B. Who be ripping? You niggas, you really knew me?
No,
since back in the day? Yeah, Oxboog. Stay snapping away.
Erase
know what I'm
that.
saying? Why erase that? And I could chase that with the loudest verse that niggas can ever hear. Can't replace that. For real, I fucking swear. Stay large. I want my nigga Ro, nigga, that's the squad, nigga. No more members till December or November, like Kanye said, remember? But I'm the best there ever was. So don't say that there never was, nigga. Plus, I'm clever, cuz I've been on my book smarts and shit like that. So whatever does pop off, I'm ready for that shit. For real, nigga. Behead me if you that rich, nigga. Cause I swear to God, I take your money, take your honey. Come right through, make that money. Right on the same block, nigga. Remain hot. I don't give a fuck about these niggas. I stain cops, shirt with the blood. They get hurt in the mud. What the dirt changed into, yeah, I begin to. All up in this shit so you can't view me the same dude, nigga. Black, dark skin, I walk with men that don't give a fuck. Come through spark shit. Then they be on their own stuff. You know me, I own stuff. I got businesses, my nigga. Businesses, collaborations, for real. Catch a jab, though, for acting like you live and shit. Or maybe stab you, bitch ass, acting like you live. I'm mad, though, like the mad rapper. I gotta put mad rapper in it, cause my nigga Red, I'll get at you. New Jersey, nigga. New Jersey, ain't no new word, nigga. I know you heard of it. Yeah, Ox Boogie on the mic, straight murder shit. Nigga.